Good afternoon, the members of the High Table, from the Deputy Commissioner, who is representing the top management, Mr. Mar, the other Mr. Balle, and my fellow colleagues. Good afternoon to you all. Anyway, first of all, I would like to thank the management for giving us the opportunity to attend such a very important training. As we learn from this training, Excel is a very important tool that we can use in analyzing or preparing our reports or various types of reports, and that will make our job very easy. So the management have done a lot for us, but I know this is not a cheap training. It involves costs. At least they sacrifice one thing or the other for us to be able to attend this. So on behalf of my colleagues, through Mr. Fofana, I would like to express our gratitude to the management for the opportunity accorded to us. Secondly, I will also use the opportunity to thank the facilitators, Mr. Fofana, my Yarangaman, and then Mr. Baji, for their tireless effort, because bringing people together for a period of just 5 days and be able to at least clean them a little bit or brush them, adjust them to the level that you want in, it is not an easy task. We all know teaching is not an easy thing. So at least thank you. We have learned a lot. I personally, there are areas that I was really struggling from this training. It's going to make life very easy for me. So thank you very much for that.